In this video, I will show and explain how to use the mail merge function in Microsoft Word. Basically, the mail merge function is to help people or businesses to write a lot of letters to many receivers at the same time. So for example, if businesses want to send information to their customers about a new promotion, instead of writing each and every letter for every customers, they can write a sample of a letter and then add fields that will be modified to customize each letter for each customers. So first, you have to open Word, and when your page is open, you click on Mailings, and then you click on Start Mail Merge. At the end, you'll have choices, and you have to click on Start Step by Step Merge Mail. So then this pane will appear. So you'll have the choice to write a letter. So that's what we want to do. So you click on letter, you click next step, you can decide to create from a blank document, from a template. When this decision is done, you also click on next. So this here is to create your list of customers, of people you want to send letter. So I've already created my list. I put 3 customers: Jean Coutu, Carl Goron, and Guylaine Fréchette. So you put every information for them, like I put the address line, the city, the zip code, the home phone, and their email address. So when this is done, you click OK and you click on next step. So this is where you create and you write your letter. So my letter is written, but as you can see, I've got some blank spaces that I'll put my merge field into. So for here, if I want to put an address block for the information of my clients, so I click on address block and I've got a bunch of choice I can choose from to put my address block. So if I want this one, you see it's the same, but there's a different one. But if I want Mr. Joshua Randall Jr. choice, I decide to put it and I click on OK. So here we have the address block that appears over here. So it's just written in address block, but when at the end I'll click on preview results, it will appear the information of the customer. I can also just put a greeting line, is just already a set one, so I can just modify the type if I want a comma or not. Then I have Dear Mr. Coutu, that's the one I want, and I click on OK. And then I can start to put my merge field. So here I wrote this letter is to inform you, and then I want to put Mr. Jean Coutu. So I click here on merge field, and I have all the fields that I've created with the information in it. So I put title for Mr., first name for Jean, and last name for Coutu. So this is the information that is done. And I can also put an if function into my letter. Like if I want to inform, if he's a man, that we've got a new line of male training clothes, I have to put a if function, because if I have female customers, I want to inform them of the new line of female training clothes. So when you want to do this, you click on rule here, you click a if then else. So the field name, you choose a field that you've done, so I'll choose title. If the title is equal to Mr., insert the text male. Otherwise, if it's Mrs., insert the text female. And I click OK. So as you can see, I've had the if function that is already done, because it shows that title is Mr. So if I want to see the result of it, I click on preview result, and now I can see each and every merge field transform into the right information. So when everything is set, when everything is done, and I want to merge each and every letter and to see them all, I click here on finish and merge. So I click on edit individual documents. I want to merge all records that I have. I click on OK, and a new Word page will open with each and every letter that I have. So here, like I have Mrs. Guylaine Gagnon, you can Guylaine Fréchette, you can see that the male if has been changed to female because the title name is Miss Guylaine Fréchette. So now, as a representative of SparkXpire, I am ready to send my information letter to all my customers. So to conclude this video, I have learned that this function is particularly very useful to save you time when you have to write a lot of letters to different people. So it can save you time, and like we love to say, time is money. So it's a very useful tool.